This is Rixin. It's been 7 months since I am part of this English speaking blueprint course, Ilias ESP course. I've imbibed a lot of confidence, belief, faith, and power inside me from this course that I've now started feeling that developing effective, excellent English speaking skill is not a far cry. It can be achieved if I keep on practicing consistently. If you ask me, Rixin, why did you enroll in this course and what have you gained from it? My answer is I was badly in need of this course, and believe me, I was persistently on the lookout of such course which would solve my problem of getting stuck in between and running out of words while conversing with others in English. And it's been several months since I'm part of this ESB family, and now I can say without a single doubt that investing in this course was the best decision taken by me. I've gained from this course in numerous ways. Though I have a lot more to share about my experience and my achievements so far from this course, but I'll stress on the main important thing. The first and the foremost thing is that, honestly speaking, my English speaking as well as writing skill has improved enormously, and that too in less than a year. The second thing is about the fluency. I can myself feel that the way I speak in English now and the way that I used to converse, that I used to express my words in English earlier, there's a wide difference between the two. I can see that my fluency has become much better and there's more clarity in my speech. And the third thing is about the confidence. I've gained enough confidence to step out of my comfort zone and face challenges. Shooting this video itself was a challenge for me. And this video itself is the proof that my confidence has become high, because had I not gained confidence facing the camera, shooting the video and sharing my learning experience from this course was next to impossible for a person like me who is surrounded with doubts, fears, and who keeps her mouth mum. And the fourth thing is definitely from the grammar section. My grammar has quite improved. How I am able to say is that, I keep a journal, and if I compare my current writings with the writings of mine couple of months back, I can see that there's a difference between the two, in the sense that there's more clarity, there's more effectiveness, and the correct use of grammar in the current writings of mine. And the special and the distinct thing about this course is the creator, the owner of this course itself, that is Alok sir. He's such a great personality. I would say he's such a pure soul. He's a giver. He just wants to give, and give to others so that others' life and others' career take new heights. Alok sir has designed the course in such a way that whosoever becomes a part of ESP family, his or her learning doesn't stop after the completion of the course, but it goes on and on and on. It goes forever and ever and ever, because we have a separate platform where we get tasks every day. The learning doesn't stop, and we're gonna get these tasks till the end of our life. And Alok sir takes special live sessions twice or thrice in a month, because he really wants that our life, that our English speaking skill gets improved and we achieve milestone in our career. And at last, I'll say that English today has become an omnipresent language. It's everywhere. We are surrounded by it and we can't escape from it. And this course is the one-stop solution for all those people who face certain difficulties and who wants to improve his or her English speaking as well as writing skill. So I would encourage everyone to come forward and take benefit from this course. Success is waiting for you. Thank you.